So, good afternoon, friends. Sorry, good evening, friends. uh, so, this is a very quick session I'm taking out. And unfortunately, today I'm not the speaker, but all because of AI, we can make it instant talk using our AI. So, today, my topic, I'm going to take the topic of Azure Immersive Reader in Microsoft Office 365. So we can, this is one of the service offered in Azure Cognitive Services, which the Microsoft offering a lot of speech, text conversion, and other services, form recognitions. So these all services is available in Azure Cognitive Services. And I'll share the PowerPoint now, and later once this is over, then I'll share the demo. How can we use this? How the Immersive Reader is used in our Word, OneNote, and other Word document slides applications. And also we can implement this Azure Immersive Reader in our own applications too. How can we build it on? I'll explain you. So start share my screen. Whether it is visible.
Yes.
Yeah. So first of all, what is mean by immersive reader? So immersive reader this is basically, it's good and useful for all the teachers and also the students who are especially children. For that, this kind of Microsoft has introduced this immersive reader concept. So this is for especially good reading comprehensions, and how can we translate the language text into a multiple languages from the document or PDF, anything. So this immersive reader is the Azure is offering is a cloud-based thing, which that offer a lot of features. I slowly explain what is this. And here the Microsoft uses AI and ML programming, and which helps the user to read and comprehend the text very efficiently. Okay, so this is one of the part of cognitive services, which uses their Azure API and SDK files, so that the developer can see, hear, speak, everything as a interpret as a human language. So this service, we can get it from Azure Cognitive Services. Mainly, who are the users for immersive means, I already told that students here who are having dyslexia, autism, and other special people, for them, a lot of homeschooling childrens and the tutors, they are using this kind of education methodology in the files. So basically, these are the 5 features Immersive Reader is offering. One is text to speech. So wherever you read this document, I'm giving this document, no, you can, by seeing the text, it will spell out. It will read out from the document, and it will give the formatting, best formatting, like we can give spaces, underlines, highlights, and easy to read. How the children can read very quickly, and they understand. So that is they offer the text formatting and focus mode. Like we can highlight the paragraphs and with colors, different colors, 2-line highlighter, 3-line, or 1 paragraph, like that. Different highlighting is also available. And basically they translate from English to different languages, more than 100 languages they are given, German, French, and across all the global languages. And also they offer other things like syllables, how to pronounce the word, and what are the different grammar sentences. So in the document, how many nouns, how many verbs, how many adverbs are there, also we can easily identify from the document. And it also offer picture dictionary. Like if I'm saying what is nature, I'm choosing means, it will give the picture diagram from Azure, and it will give, like in schools, no, we will see, we will tell the story from the picture. So like that, in the Word document also, they offer this facility. So these are the main features for this immersive reader. And where can we use this? We can use it in any Microsoft Word, Outlook, OneNote, and other third party also, we can use this application. And also we have some set of availabilities for the different versions. Suppose if we have a word means Office 365 offers the speech, read loud, spacing and font size, syllables, parts of speech is not available in Office 365, but is available in online. So like that, we have they offer the different versions and different features apply to OneNote, Word, Outlook, and other things like even Teams, Microsoft Teams offering a lot of features. People can use it because nowadays students using a lot of meetings in the Microsoft Teams. So the children can the teachers can use all these features and they can utilize this one. So the pricing is very free to use. For the mostly 3 million characters is free for per month. And if it's a standard, if they use a standard tier, so these pricing will be available in the Azure calculator section. And we have a standard and education non-profit. These are the two tiers available for these services. So now I'll show the demo, quick demo of so this immersive reader functionality is used in Outlook 365. I'll show that one. So this is one note I have taken. I have taken some notes and document about the nature, tell about the nature. So this I have taken. So we have the option called under the view. We go to view, we have immersive reader. So the text will come here. So we have three options, like we have text preferences. So this is, you can maximize till how many sizes and increase spacing. I have, if I switch on means it will give increase spacing, and we have a different formats and also the theme. You can choose a different colors, background colors also. And we have another thing is grammar option. So this is a natural text we have, and I put it, if I put syllable means each word, it makes some syllables and it refers, and also the parts of speech. So we have noun, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. If we want to identify from the paragraph, what are the nouns means, you have to check it out. So all the violet color indicates this is a noun, and verbs also indicate. And if you want to show the labels, N denotes noun, and this is refers to V denotes the verbs. So we have a picture dictionary. So nature, it will give some nature picture for this document. So you have to just click it, and you can see the picture here. And if I go to earth, it will show the earth picture, and mother, clothes. So like the common the terms will come in the climate, weather, it will say. So this will give intuitive information to the kids, those who are learning from the document. Additionally, we can translate to the different languages, like I have chosen the French. So French I have chosen. If I go to France, it will give the name, the literal meaning of literal name in the French translation. Also, we can speak it out here. So is it audible there? Yeah. So this is in English, it will speak, and this is also in different languages. And over you can copy everything, and you can convert the whole thing. You can translate in any languages out of here. So by word or by document, you can convert. So the whole entire, so this is now, I have given the text in the English, but it's now everything is converted into a French language very quickly, easily. And you can convert to any languages also here. So this is voice. You can select the voice, either it may be a female or a male voice. We can select it, and we can publish it. So this feature in Microsoft, this is one notebook we have. And also same thing, I tried it out in Word. But we have in the view, if you go view, you have immersive reader. But we have some limited functionalities in this version. We have column width, page color, focus, syllables, read loud. So entire thing will be read. Okay, and also we can give the line focus. This is one line, and I can give 3 lines. I can 5 lines. So the lecturers or teachers who have taught who have teach the classes sessions in order to attract the children. So what kind of things they can highlight it with the colors and with the diagrams, pictures and everything, they can use it. So this is a word I tried it out and OneNote. So this feature is available given by Microsoft in Azure Immersive Reader. So very soon in the upcoming sessions, this feature can also be used in our applications. Those sessions will be taken by one of our colleagues. So in the future session. So that's all for my today's session. So if you have any questions or any clarifications, you can ask me.